We're going to be talking about context clues today in our skills lesson. Remember, on last week, we talked about compound words. And so this week, we're going to be talking about context clues. Context clues are the other words in a sentence that help us determine the meaning of an unknown word. Images are another example of context clues. Let's read this sentence from The Three Billy Goats Gruff. All three ate so much delicious grass that they were scarcely able to walk home. To determine the word scarcely, we can look at the other words in the sentence. These are context clues. Let's read it again. All three ate so much delicious grass that they were scarcely able to walk home. You are probably familiar with the phrases ate so much and able to walk. How do you feel after you eat so much of something delicious? Are you able to play after eating something delicious? Based on your understanding of the phrases ate so much and able to walk, we can determine that scarcely means only just or almost not. Let's try it together. Let's read this sentence from Goldilocks and the Three Bears. She sat and sat till suddenly, crack, the chair broke. To determine the meaning of the word suddenly, we can look at other words in the sentence. These are context clues. Now let's read it again. She sat and sat till suddenly, crack, the chair broke. You are probably familiar with the meaning of the phrases sat and the chair broke. Do you think that Goldilocks sat in the chair for a long time or a little time before it broke? Think about that. Do you think she was just sitting and sitting and sitting and sitting and sitting and then finally? Or put your thumb up if you think suddenly describes something that is happening very quickly. Put your thumbs down if you think that suddenly describes something that happens very slowly. Turn to someone that's in your house and discuss the context clues that you use to determine that suddenly describes something that happens very quickly. Now, you're going to read this sentence. We're going to talk about this sentence on Friday on our Zoom. And so you're going to use your context clues to find all of the words that you may not know. So please read this sentence now. Based on context clues, do you think the word sly means friendly or sneaky? Did you remember to use your steps? Look at the words in the sentence. Use your understanding of familiar words and phrases. Knew better and pretended to believe. Determine the meaning of the unknown word, which is sneaky. All right, see you guys on Friday.